tiny.
That needle's longer than my whole neck. You're not a doctor, you're a sword fighter.
Oh my goodness.
All right, Larry, time for your shot. Be brave, buddy.
My friend, you first, Doc. I saw what you did to that cat.
Oh, man. Okay, fair enough.
Okay, Larry, just relax. This won't hurt at all.
That's for sure. That's what my ex said before clipping my wings.
Oh, man, you got me there.
Officer, your wife called me handsome today.
What? Why?
She said she finally met a man who doesn't just talk about donuts.